Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the how to use record variable in the Robonito. So I have created the workspace, and now I have created the suits, and I have created a multiple test cases. So I have created the login test case, and now I'm going to verify add employee. So I'm going to the add employee, so click on the record and click on. Now I'm going to the first clip. I'm going to the configuration, and now you have to add the configuration. So I have added this dependency. Firstly, actually you don't have to record the login test case, so it should be redirect to the next page you want to do. So I have my next page is employee list, so I have added also. So now click on the save button. I'm going to the record button, and now I'm going to the record playback. So click on this. So now you can see here you can see open the new browser. So firstly I'm going to the add employee, click on the add. Now I'm going to the enter the first name. So I'm going to Anas, and last name is Khan, and now I'm going to the employee ID 4356, and now I'm using the record variable. So click on the record variable and click on this. So I'm enter the record variable, so you have to add the unique ID, unique key. So my unique key employee ID 2. Now copy the employee ID. I click on the submit button. After that, click on the save button. Now going back to the PIM from the sidebar, and now I'm using the use variable. So my variable is employee ID 2. So pick variable and you click on this employee ID. So and search, click on the search. So now you can see here is the showing the Anas Khan. Now I'm going to add the assertion. So click on this. Now you can add the assertion, and now you can use the curly bracket and enter the variable name. So employee ID 2 and close the curly bracket. Click on submit and save the recording. After that, you have created the employee. So you want to add the multiple employee randomly and use the multiple employee ID. So you can edit the first name. So click on this. And now I'm going to use the random generation random, and click on the first name. Click on the save, enter the last name randomly. So click on this and use the random, enter the last name, click on save. Now I'm going to the random unique ID, so you click on use random and enter the number. So now you can see here is the create the random unique ID, click on save. And now I'm going to the execute the test case. So you can execute the cloud and local. So I'm going to the local and click on the execute button. So you can see open the employee list URL and enter the first name randomly and enter the last name, enter the unique ID randomly. So you can see random the unique ID. I click on the save button. After the save button, click on the PIM from the sidebar and enter the search using the random unique ID. Click on search. So now you can see here is the record. So my test case should be passed. So it should be take a moment. So now click on the refresh button. So you can click on this. So here is the my test steps. First open the browser, navigate here, enter the first name randomly. You can see the logs, and you can enter the first name and then generate the first name randomly and enter the last name and generate the last name and enter the unique ID randomly and click on this, and this is the test step. Now you can see the screenshot here, click on this. So it's my DOM. You can you can see the hit the capture the DOM, and now you can see the screenshot. Click on this. Now every every click and input, you can capture the all the screenshots, and you can here see, and now you can see the DOM, and it's my the browser console. It's the features in the Robonito, how to use the record variable in the Robonito. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.